How to set up a wireless HP printer using HP Easy Start in Windows. From Windows, set up an HP printer and connect it to your wireless home or business network using HP Easy Start, a guided download and installation application for HP printers. To successfully set up and install your printer, gather the following materials and information: a Windows computer that is connected to the wireless network in which you want to connect your printer. It is important to note that some printers support only a 2.4 GHz network. An HP printer turned on and in a ready state. An active internet connection. And the wireless network password or key if required by your network. For easy installation, connect your printer to the network or restore setup mode. Setup mode activates the first time you turn on your printer. If it has been longer than 2 hours since you first turned on your printer, reset the printer network settings. For printers without a touch display, press the Cancel button to wake the printer from sleep mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. Or, for LaserJet Pro printers, press and hold the wireless button until the ready and attention lights blink simultaneously. Release the buttons to restore setup mode. For printers with a touch display, navigate to the Wireless or Network Settings menu, and then select Restore Network Settings or Restore Network Defaults. For printers with front edge lighting, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds. When the printer's network settings are reset, the front edge lighting rotates. Some older printers might not support setup mode, so you must connect it to the network manually. For printers with a touch display, use the Wireless Setup Wizard to connect your printer to the network. For older printers without a touch display, press and hold the wireless button on your printer for 5 seconds or until the wireless light blinks. And then, within 2 minutes, press and hold the Wi-Fi Protected Setup or WPS button on your router for 5 seconds. On your computer, go to 123.hp.com. Enter your printer model, click Search, and then click Download. Once downloaded, open HP Easy Start. If HP Smart downloads, open the application and follow the prompts to set up your printer. If prompted, select Continue, Run, or Yes, depending on your version of Windows. Review the agreements and statements, select the checkbox to accept the terms, and then select Continue. HP Easy Start detects printers connected to the network, connected to the computer, and in setup mode. If your printer is not detected, select My Printer is Not Shown and follow the guided troubleshooter to get your printer connected. If necessary, select your printer and then select Continue. HP Easy Start connects your printer to the same network as your computer. For the security of newer models, you must physically confirm your proximity to the printer. When prompted, touch the flashing Information button on the printer control panel. Read and respond to the on-screen instructions to get to the software selection screen. The current software and driver options for your printer display, including the recommended software for your configuration. Select the software and driver that best fits your needs, and then select Continue. The software downloads and then opens automatically. If the software does not open, navigate to your Downloads folder and open the software. Read and respond to any screens to install the printer's software. If prompted to choose how to connect your printer, select Automatic and then select Next. Select your printer from the list of devices on the network and then select Next. Follow any additional instructions and, if prompted, select Finish to complete the installation and start printing with your HP printer.